So hi guys, today we're playing a video and I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so yeah, I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'll be posting more lately because my computer disk space was low, so nice Riley.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah, I was about to snipe in there and
Oh,
just
and
kill
by the way, I
someone.
hate you too.
What?
I wanted to say I hate you too.
I don't
Is
say
it
anything?
recording?
Yeah.
I just thought, oh, jeez, I thought I was gonna get that before. Isn't that in the
Oh,
yes, I got that too. I thought I was gonna,
shoot, it's so laggy because of this.
I thought I was just about to die.
Uh, this guy was holding still and right when I saw him, he jumped off the cliff. And someone
And he's just so far away from me.
he sniped me for like 5 meters, but can't blame him for being good.
Shannon, do you see me? There's a guy with the epic stuff now.
Oh, the guy just glitched into the ground. Oh, he killed me. He was glitched into the ground and he still killed me.
Oh, they won.
Yep. So, oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh, my computer just glitched out.
I know, I just killed a baby. He was super
So lucky.
like I was
If
shooting
you look,
him.
if you look at how that guy has so much kills, I just got in a fight with him when my keyboard
Well,
glitched out
I was
completely.
shooting him, and then he was just like walking
Oh
away
shoot.
with his pickaxe out.
Okay.
Oh, Fine Buns keeps killing me. I don't know why.
Oh my gosh, I'm so laggy.
Where are you?
I shot somebody.
No, but literally, where are you?
I'm going to the bridge.
But then already after this.
I'm at the bridge now. I'm on it.
Oh, I'm go. Oh, I see you. I'm the guy walking up the bridge.
The guy killed me and I killed him.
I just killed the guy that was almost
Oh my
down.
gosh, I spawned right near trap. Kill that. Oh shoot.
And guys, if you want a friend, and but I'm talking about it, and
I'm
the
topping
YouTube
boy.
more. Oh no, I just started to get killed. I just got revenge on you.
It looks like you're hacking because you're going like. Brrr.
Oh no, I was using my SMG.
Oh, it sounded like the shotgun.
No, I was using my SMG.
I don't know my face cam is walking, so rip if it's not. I need to start you. Shoot, trap. Yeah, for some reason I accidentally paused the video, so.
I hate that.